Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
Finding which series converges to 1 over e is super fast if you know your Maclaurin series. Let's solve this calculus problem right now. Recall the general Maclaurin series for the exponential function e to the power of x. This series is defined as the sum of x to the n over n factorial. To find 1 over e, substitute -1 for x. This creates an alternating series where -1 to the n appears in the numerator of each term. This alternating series matches option B. Therefore, option B is the correct choice for this convergence question. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs to avoid a rush. Trust given values and check steps carefully.